Good morning, my dear students, and a very warm welcome to all of you in this e-learning session. Welcome to Science by Harsha Ma'am. Try to recall what we have done in our previous lecture. In our last lecture, we started about the two organelles which are endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes. And first, let us have a quick look at what are endoplasmic reticulum. As you have already studied that it is like a hallway. It is a passage for the movement of proteins that will allow the movement within the cell. Here are few important points about the endoplasmic reticulum. It will, as we discussed, that it will help the movement of any substances within the cell. Next is it occurs in three forms. Which are those three forms? Those are cisternae, vesicles, and tubules. Then what it is actually? It is network of interconnected membranes. It is the single membrane bound organelle. That means outside it has just one layer, and it is of how many types? Two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now what is rough endoplasmic reticulum? As we have already discussed, rough endoplasmic reticulum is those endoplasmic reticulum that has ribosomes attached to it. If the ribosomes are not attached, then its surface will appear smooth. And the main function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum is it will help to build the molecules. It has enzymes that will help in the formation of lipids and carbohydrates. Here are the function. As we discussed, it is an hallway, so it is the only organelle that can move within the cell, and ultimately it will help to transport various materials. Proteins which are formed by RER and lipids that are formed with the help of SER. They will help in the formation of plasma membrane, and this process is called as membrane biogenesis. It will help in the synthesis of fats, steroids, cholesterol, etc. It will act as a skeleton. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in the detoxification of drugs and poisonous byproducts. Ribosome is like a kitchen. Now, why is ribosome like a kitchen? Because it is helping in the formation of the food. As we are making the food at home, in the same way ribosome is also helping in its formation. It is made up of proteins and rRNA, and they're called as protein factories of the cell. Moving on that further on the today's content, that is Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus now? It is like a closet. As you can already see, everything is folded and properly kept over here in this closet. And the same way, Golgi apparatus will also function in similar way, because it will pack all the proteins and ultimately it will dispatch it. So it works as a closet. Where it is involved now? It is involved in the synthesis of plant cell, in the packaging and shipping station of the cell. That are its basic advantage, that it is helping in the packaging and shipping of the cell. Whatever will enter, first of all it will enter through one phase, and from the another side it will move out. It is stacked. It is the stack of flattened sacks. Sack it like a goon like structure, like this, and it has two sides. One is shipping side and another one is receiving side. One is sys phase and another one is trans phase. From one side it will receive and another side it will dispatch. It will receive the proteins that are made by endoplasmic reticulum. It will transport vesicles that will modify proteins and pinch off on the other end. These are the functions of Golgi body. Its basic function, as noted over here, is it will first of all modify, sort, and pack all the protein molecules, and then it will dispatch. So from one side it will receive and another side it will dispatch. So it looks like a stack of pancakes, as you can see over here. Here are its function. The molecules come in the form of the vesicles. The vesicles will fuse with the Golgi membrane and then they will modify it. Then they will separate it off, and these vesicles they will then leave the Golgi apparatus and they will uh, dispatch it. Few important points over here in the functions which we will note down are this, that is the girl system, which is for the Golgi body. It is not GIRL, it is GERL. Girl system. Now, what is this girl system? Girl system means the Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum together they help in the formation of lysosomes. Very important function of Golgi body, that is GERL. Here I am noting it down. Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum help in formation of lysosome. The girl system, which is GERL girl system. Very important point about the function, that is Golgi body, it helps in the formation of lysosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum also helps in the formation of lysosomes. This they also help in the formation of egg yolk. What is the egg yolk? Now that yellow colored part, that is called as egg yolk. So this is about the Golgi apparatus, and its main function is it will help again in the formation of plasma membrane. It will help in the formation of lysosome. Not only alone Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body both together help in the formation of lysosomes. It also help in the formation of egg yolk, and here is about it that it will fuse with the Golgi membrane and then it will modify it and then it will dispatch it. So this one function that is of its packaging is given in 6 points and another 2 are over here. These are the main functions. First, let us have a quick look at part we have done. Why is Golgi apparatus called or compared with a closet? Because whatever protein molecule it will come to it, it will fold it. Along with it, it will add the necessary extra things like proteins. In the protein, it will add carbohydrates, it will add a part of lipid or any other extra material that is needed. It will add to it, and after that, it will dispatch it. So, this is about how the Golgi apparatus works. Note down this point, that is, it is like a closet because it will pack and move the proteins as a closet in a placing packages. Okay, first note this much. After that, we'll move further. I will explain you one point again and then you can note it down. Quickly note it. let us move further. As discussed, it will help in synthesis of plant cell wall, and ultimately it is helping in packaging and shipping. So it is also called as the packaging and shipping station of the cell. Two very easy points are there. Note it down quickly. Just 2 points. Next, as you can see here, the various sacs are there. So it is the stack of flattened sacs, not totally filled, but flattened sacs. And it is ultimately, you can see there are many over here. It has two phases, one for receiving, another one for dispatching the folded materials. So, it is having a shipping phase that is called as sys phase, and the receiving side which is called as trans phase. How are they receiving proteins now? They are receiving the proteins through a channel which we call as endoplasmic reticulum. It will transport the vesicles with modified proteins that is pinching off at the ends. You can see over here this one, this one, this vesicles. Okay, I hope it's visible. Note down these points. So here you can see that it is like a stack of pancakes. This is its major function. It will modify, sort, and package molecules from the endoplasmic reticulum for the storage or transport out of the cell. Like this, it will take away over here. So please note down this content. Here are its functions. First of all, the molecules, they will come in the form of vesicles and they will fuse with the Golgi membrane, as you can see over here. The molecules will come first like this, they will fuse with the membrane, then they will come inside, they'll get packed, again they'll come near the membrane and they will be dispatched. This is how its function is carried out. They will come in the vesicles, fuse with the membrane, it will be modified, then they are pinched off and they will leave the Golgi apparatus and they'll combine with the plasma membrane. This is how a very simple concept is happening. First note down this, after that we will discuss about the further part. Note down the 6 points. The further ones, the next 3 points, note it down. Now, the 2 very important points which are mentioned over here. It will help in the formation of egg yolk, and you can note these 2 points as the last points. Do not forget the very simple form, that is GERL system, girl system. This one particular thing will help you to write 1 point in both, or you can say all the 3. Golgi apparatus help in the formation of lysosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum help in the formation of lysosomes. Lysosomes is formed with the help of Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum. So this one girl GERL girl system will help you to write 3 points in each of them. Okay, so together in all the three short notes, 1 point is very common. That is the girl system. Another thing which we discussed about the Golgi body was this: how is the transport taking place? First, the vesicles are fusing with the membrane. They are coming from outside. Once they fuse out with the membrane, they will get properly packed up, and after the packing, the dispatch will take place. And that also, first they will fuse again with the membrane and then they will move out. These 2 points which you might have not noted, please note it down. So that is about the Golgi body. Now, let us move further on the next particular point. That is lysosome. Lysosomes, they are also called as cellular scavengers, or they are also called as they are such kind of substances which will harm themselves, but they will protect the cell. They will destroy themselves and they will release the digestive enzymes and ultimately throw out all the foreign material. It contains digestive enzymes. It will break down the food, bacteria, and worn out parts of the cell. For example, if some of the organelle is not working properly, then it will throw it out by bursting itself out, and so only it is programmed for cell death, that is apoptosis, which means it will burst out itself and it will not allow the cell to get harmed. So it will ultimately lyse and release the enzymes for the breakdown and the recycle of the cell parts. So here is about the lysosomes. It contains digestive enzymes. It will help in the cell renewal. It will help in the breakdown of old cell parts. It will digest the invaders, that is, the foreign particles which are coming inside. It is working as autophagy. Auto means self, phagy means eat. It will eat itself and ultimately it will burst out. It will release the digestive enzymes and it will save the cell. And that's why it also called as cellular scavengers. See, this is how its formation takes place. This is how everything is taking place. This is the formation of it. It will, the protein are synthesized from here, they will go over here, and from here there are vesicles over here, and here in this process its formation takes place of lysosomes. Okay, so note down this very important point. As we discussed, what are lysosomes? They are containing the digestive enzymes. They will burst out and they will release all the digestive enzymes, and after bursting out and releasing the digestive enzymes, what will happen is they will help in the breakdown of food, bacteria, and worn out cell parts of the cells, and they are programmed for cell depth. They will release the enzymes, and ultimately they are going to help for proper functioning of the cell. Please note it down. Here are its functions. Very important point about the lysosomes. So I hope you have noted down about the lysosome, and now let's have a quick recap at whatever part we have done. Let us revise the entire on the organelles. First of all, endoplasmic reticulum. It is like a hallway that will help in the movement of any substance inside or outside the cell. Then, in what form does it occur? It occurs in three forms, that is, cisternae, vesicles, and tubule. It is a network of interconnected membranes. It is a single membrane bound organelle, and it is of two types, which is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough is rough because it has ribosomes attached to it, and smooth is smooth because it does not have any kind of ribosomes attached to it. Rough helps in the formation of protein synthesis, while smooth helps in the formation of lipids and carbohydrates. Then we discussed about the function. Always remember, here you can add one more function, that is endoplasmic reticulum helps in the formation of lysosomes. As we have already discussed this, that lysosome is formed by the help of Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum. First, it was not shown to you or not mentioned over here because Golgi body, that particular Golgi apparatus is coming after this. So once we study both the organelles, I made you understand it. It is the only organelle that can help to in the movement within the cell. Proteins that are formed by RER and lipids which are formed by SER, they will help in plasma membrane formation, and that process is called as membrane biogenesis. It helps in the synthesis of fats, steroids, cholesterol, etc. It acts as a cell skeleton. SER plays a crucial role in detoxification of poisonous byproducts and the drugs. Ribosomes, as we discussed, it is like a kitchen because it will transform the food in the way it can be consumed. It is made up of proteins and rRNA. They are called as protein factories for the cell. It is like, next is Golgi apparatus. It is like a closet because it will pack all the things, necessary things, it will attach to it and then it will dispatch. It is involved in the synthesis of plant cell wall. It is the packaging and shipping station of the cell. Here you can study about the Golgi bodies. These are stacks of flattened sacks. They have a shipping phase, that is cis phase, and the receiving side, which is trans phase. They will receive the proteins over here in the form of the vesicles by ER, that is endoplasmic reticulum, and they will transport the vesicles from here. So it will modify, sort and package the molecules from ER, and it will store them and help them in the transportation. This is how it will carry out its function in the 6 stages. Then next is, we discussed about how the Golgi apparatus helps in the formation of lysosome, GERL girl system, how the Golgi apparatus helps in the formation of egg yolk. Then comes the last part of today's content, which is lysosome. It contains the digestive enzymes. It will break down the food, bacteria and the worn out cell parts, and it is programmed for the cell death. It will release the enzyme and ultimately it will recycle the cell parts. Here are its basic functions. It will help in the cell renewal, in the breakdown of the cell parts. It will help in digesting the invaders, that are the foreign particles which are entering, in the autophagy, the cellular scavengers. So this is all for today. Now note down today's homework. Here is your homework. Golgi body and lysosome. Those are the two short notes which you have to write and you have to memorize. Please note down your homework. And that's all, my dear students, for today. Thank you so much for listening to me and have a very good day. I hope you are enjoying the lectures. And if any doubt, you can put up the call to me and ask me any of your doubts. That's all. Bye bye.